Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is that time that I always love, which is IPSY time. I got my IPSY package, I want to say a week ago. I think, yeah, a week ago, and I'm so sorry I haven't had a chance to get to it, but now that I actually have the time to sit down and look at it, let's go over it together. This is my July IPSY, and this is the bag. It is so pretty. I love the bags that IPSY has. I love the design that they do, and I love that this is very summery. I love this little leafy design. It's pretty popular now, I feel like, and I am so into it. I would have liked it if the color wasn't pink and if it was white, but whatever, that's just my preference. But other than that, I think this looks really nice. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Also, if you like this look, the video will be out soon, and if it's already out, I will leave a link to it up here. Please go and check it out. I really like the way it turned out. I love that pop of color in the inner corners. So yeah, I hope you guys like it too. So now let's get into what's in my bag. So this is what the card looks like. It was a little squished in my bag, but it does say dive in. I think it's a lot of like dewy skin looks and so things like that. I do notice that this is the kind that you can open up, and inside it tells me actually everything that I got in my bag. So yeah, and it gives you a little bit more details on what those things are. So that's really nice. So let's go ahead and get right into that. The first thing I see is this. It is a Urban Therapy Twisted Sister. It's a curl activator cream, and it has coconut, avocado, and almond oil in it, so that's pretty decent. I could use it to control my frizz. It adds shine and it defines your curls. I'm not much for hair products, getting hair products in IPSY. First of all, it's not enough for me, maybe for just a couple of use because I do have a lot of hair, but also, you know, I'm probably doing my own thing for my hair at the moment, but I am going to open it up and see how it smells. But I do appreciate when they give you what is it? Dry shampoo, especially because it's always a travel size because it has to fit into the bag. These things are so hard to open, especially with long nails. I'm used to my own long nails and not acrylic, but so they're not as sharp, so I can't like peel into things, you know, but it smells really good. It smells like coconut oil. Maybe after I wash my hair today, I'll try it on and see how my hair looks in its curliness. The next item I have is this Brow Fix Tint and Shaper by BEAUTE, and this is a little brow gel situation right there. I haven't used a brow gel. I don't even think I've ever used a brow gel. I think I've used I think whatever brow gel I've had, I haven't like brushed it onto my brows. I've taken it on a brush and just kind of tinted it. So it looks like it's in my color. It is dark brunette. And I'm going to try to take some of that to my brows now. My brows are already done, but ooh. This is nice. This is nice. Just deepen up the color just a little bit more. I mean, my brows are already pretty dark. I guess it helps it stay in place as well. So just added a little bit to my brows, and I like it. I always go through my IPSYs so quick, and it's not on purpose. It's 5 items and it just goes by so fast, so I'm sorry if it's a quick video, but most of my videos are pretty long, so I guess this is kind of refreshing. So the next thing I have is by THEBALM. THEBALM always has this really cute little packaging, and it has like these cute little characters that they have on there. And obviously it says, what's the tea? And it says Iced Tea Eyeshadow Mini, and it is a cool tone or cool shade eyeshadow. Oh, and I love their packaging because it's like a little magnet that keeps it closed, and it's like this. And it is this really pretty blue color. It is quite pretty. So that, ooh, that's the color. I feel like I get so much eyeshadows like this and I never get a chance to really use it, so I need to really go into my eyeshadow collection and use those really pretty colors that I get from IPSY. This would be nice for that inner corner look if I wanted to. I don't know if it's, yeah, it is pretty bright, so I can use it for that. So yeah, maybe in the future I'll use this for another look. Next, I have this Smashbox liquid lipstick in the color Babe Alert. I love this color right here. Oh, that is such a pretty creamy color. It does look like it's a little bit light, but I think if I put it on pretty light, it will look really nice. Ooh, I like it, I like it. There was another Smashbox lipstick that I got. It was close to this color, but a little bit more brown, and I love that a lot. Right here. So it's pretty much kind of like this color, but more on the brown side, and I use this a lot. So I might be going into this a lot too, because this is a nice color. I only have one more item left. Okay, so for the last item, it is this Making Moves blusher by Phase Zero Makeup. I've never heard of this brand before. So let's go ahead and see what color it is. It is a pretty decent size. That's what the packaging looks like. And ooh, that is the color. The color is more of like an peachy. Oh, okay. It's like a peachy with a glow. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh, I love this. It has a beautiful glow. I'm just gonna take this brush right here, which is also something I got from IPSY last time, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that, just a little, and add it. I don't even know if you can tell because I already have so much highlighter on. It's like a nice peachy look. And you know I love this because it has a mirror. I love anything with a mirror. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. It is definitely something that looks like you went on vacation and came back with a beautiful tan and a beautiful glow. I just want to put it like everywhere. It's so pretty. So I really like this. It is Making Moves beautiful. Just beautiful. I think this might be my favorite product in here. Yep, it's my favorite. I thought the Smashbox lipstick was going to be it, but this is it. This is it. It is so pretty, you guys. Like, I'm not exaggerating. Like, look how pretty that is. I mean, I'm going a little overboard, but it is so pretty. I can't help it. So yeah, as usual, I am very happy with my IPSY this month. I think the only thing is I need to try the hair product just to see if I like it or not. The brow tint I did use. The lipstick, of course, I'm not going to use because I already have this look going and I want to keep it. But I love the blush. Like, the blush is top notch. Like, I was so pretty. And the eyeshadow, I need to try it. I need to see how I can put a look together with that blue. But yes, I do like everything that I got. I'm very happy. Thank you, IPSY. The bag is beautiful. Like I said, I would have liked the bag a little bit more if the color of the coral was white instead of the coral, but that's like minor details. If you are interested in getting an IPSY of your own, it's a $10 monthly subscription and you can always add more items to it for a cheaper rate. Yeah, so if you are interested in getting one of your own, I will leave a link to where you can do that in my description, so please go and check that out. If you do like my IPSY videos and you want to watch more, I have plenty more on my channel. I think I even have an IPSY playlist, so go and check that out. I go through every bag I've gotten, I think, since last year. here since last year January, so definitely go and check that out. I love my IPSY videos because then I go, oh wow, yeah, I remember I got that, and I love the products that I get because it definitely gives me a chance to try out stuff I've never tried out before, and it's $10 a month. It's like a little gift to myself every month. So if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I don't know if I said that already, but if I haven't, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below which item of mine you liked the most, and if you are just as obsessed with the blush as I am, or if it's just me. This one has a beautiful peachy color with a beautiful glow as well, and it is cute, it is travel size, and it has a mirror, so it's all wonderful things, you know. But yeah, so, and also if you like my craziness and the videos that I post, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing week. I love you. Bye.